no stress. Maths and science, you break them to the best. Now your brain go shine, no time to the guess. You simplify, I'm enough, it be less.
Everybody, welcome. Question where they simple like this. You need calm down, make I teach you how I want to survive. My name is Instructor Alison. I'm going to teach math and science for pidgin English. So for this particular video, they say x squared plus 6 squared equal to 85. Make you find x. Now I mean they put x equal to question mark. I want to find this x. Or I feel you even put the question say, what will be the values of x we will get? We will satisfy this particular question. So it means say, as if they say like this, the value of x will not be only 1, no, will not be 2, will not be only 3. Make we check out. Now, the first thing we'll do is say, make you write this x squared where we don't sit down. Plus, know how we will say, carry I see 6 squared. You know, we want to reduce them. Make it like normal number like this. 6 squared, now same thing as 6 times 6. Share no. And 6 times 6 from your 6 times table. 6 times 1 now 6. 6 times 2 now 12. 6 times 3 now 18. 6 times 4 now 24. 6 times 5 now 30. 6 times 6 now 36. I don't run this one as 36. If you want to 85. I mean, try to be your times table. They help for life. Oh. So, now, I don't say this one a real number, this one an ordinary number. So they suppose they together now. You don't need this one they can't compress S with the fine. This one I can't do it one. So what you will do? What you will take talk and be say you will subtract 36 from both sides. Like this it will be. Subtract 36 from both sides. But we don't they used to say carry plus 36, cross go the other side, make it change to minus 36. So this guy no get leg, no get wings to fly. How did they take cross? This thing don't tire me for now. So now just learn how to use the right word. Say just subtract 36 from both sides. Why would they subtract? Now because now plus there. If you're a minus, I for add. But now as you see I'm like this now, 36 minus 36 will give us 0. Which you can remember now x squared equal to 85 minus 36. Oh, this is a big number. I want to subtract this one now. It's simple. Just use your normal way they take subtract something. 5 minus 6. You know, so that one not possible now. So you borrow 1 from this 8. That one we borrow from 8. Come make this one 15. 15 minus 6, that one will give us 9. Here now, what's it going to remain? Now 7. 7 minus 3 will give us 4. It doesn't say we don't hit 49. Carry that 49. Copy them from this place, come paste them here. You dey feel them? If you never like the video at this particular point, and if they visit my page for the first time, or even if you be returning subscriber, I never hit like button for this particular video where I don't do like this. It means they need to support me. Try like I'm not dead. If it's not new time, first time they come my page, try hit the subscribe button. Subscribe on my beg. Subscribe so that people will see, say, even you say when I post, now you will first receive. And turn on that bell icon, that will be like bell. So that you will receive notification. Which I will do last. Yeah, places. So if I see me pause the video, put the answer for comment section. You say 90% of students will fail for this particular place. No, try them. Try them. You say 90% of students will fail. The answer what they'll get. They will go say x equal to square root of 49. Therefore, x equal to 7. Don't be wait to get as the answer, talk through. Now, only few where the answer will differ from this one. I'm show you the original answer. Answer me now. I'm show you the original answer. Why do you say they nod now? Talk, make I hear you. I'm show you the original answer. Oh, yeah, now make you run now. So, what you can't do for this particular place, please? Let me say no try you, try you. When you see square like this, if the square the cross come this side, you dey change to square root. So that square root will go along with plus or minus. You know, sabi quadratic equation where if not, if you understand this principle. But then, if you still say, take the square root of both sides, but this side, it will go with plus or minus square root of. On the left, if you take the square root of that particular number, the right will go with plus or minus square root. Now, what I try to explain now. So this one and this one will cancel. X now will be equal to plus or minus square root of 49, now 7. So just say the answer now we get now x, I'll put on S1 equal to plus 7 or x2 will equal to minus 7. So this say no be plus 7, that be the only solution. Minus 7 also solution. I want to know. May carry the answer, go inside the question, go check whether they're correct. We don't get x as 7. That means anywhere I see x, I will put 7. 7 squared will give us 49 plus 6 squared now. 6 squared now waiting at 36. So 49 plus 36 will give you 85. It means that this one correct. What of this one? Minus 7 all squared. Some people will say this thing are the same thing as minus 7 squared. This thing will be the same thing with this one. I know go feel right like this. This one are the answer now minus 49. But this one the answer now 49. Because minus 7 squared means minus 7 times minus 7. Minus will give you plus. 7 times 7, 49. You don't learn something, Abi. So now you see say, even if the minus or na plus, so Yeah, minus 7 squared give you 49. 49 plus 36 goes to give you 85. So if we say plus 7 and minus 7, now be the two possible values of x which satisfy this particular equation where they give us. And the way I take explain this thing, normally you supposed to understand that. And if you understand that, put them for comment section, make I know. And if you never like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button also, and turn on the bell icon so that anytime I upload new video, you will receive notification. I know and I'll try to share this video. The other student waiting for those communities, village, those school where they make them no sabi math, they go see this video and then begin there. Put them for your group chat, your statuses, and everywhere where they follow learn. I beg. Me, I don't come out. Tomorrow, go bring another one for now. Until next time, I will see you. Peace and love.
China class, you go grow. Physics no go tire you. It go sweet like stew. Biology go clear. It go fresh like dew. No the fear equation, she dey show you.